Imagine your life is gone away. It's just a routine, it's not a fate. Suddenly you feel those things all the black. There's a time for a sense of dance to going back. You may not judge if you find the night to be bright. There's a part of the soul of the motherfucking life. Immolation, all it feels for pain. When you make the pressure, now it is too late. What's the thinking of the rest of that for different actors? When you look at the sun, can't feel good for fight. Trying to touch my jaw, but don't read. I'm in my throat, I'm down, can't stop this pain. Revolution grabs the pain. We can have it all stuck in it's too late. We still believe in when everyone dies. To hold on to all the holy life. To routine when you bury and you have in mind. When you remember to friend in your mind. Some drink, war of violence. The best living insane. When you're in the pressure.